This guy's cleaning his BMW with a... Oh my god. Oh. Oh god, dude. That was fucking hilarious, man. You guys fucking missed it. Oh my god. That is cringy as fuck. You said it on the... Oh my god, that's funny as fuck. He's gonna keep going. Oh, he's cleaning the whole car with it.
Then I need it to stop raining.
Right? I think so too.
So we can go to the pool.
No, the hood. Not the hood. Oh my god, bro. What is this world right now? He's watching the bump. Oh my god. Dude, he was cleaning the tires too. That was shit.
He's cleaning everything.
That's not what it's named for, Odin.
No.
It's only the windows.
Yeah.
Bro, just pay for a car wash, man.
Supposed to pay for a car wash.
Oh my
Not
god.
clean.
I feel like I'm getting pranked right now. This has to be a joke. Nope. Normal day for him. Vroom vroom. Oh, he got it wet again. Oh.
Oh.
Damn, he's scrubbing hard, bro. He's cleaning the car with the scrubby. That's not what it's for.
That is not what it's for.
What the hell? Dude, this is crazy, bro.
This is crazy, man.
Right? I was thinking the same thing.
That is crazy.
Dude, what is this guy doing, man?
Dude, what is this guy doing?
This guy, holy shit, man. Well, that's Orland Park, Illinois for you. A little bit of everything here. Oh, he's still going. He got it wet again. Oh my god, man. That shit's unbelievable. I can't believe that shit's going on right now. No fucking way, bro. No fucking way. The guy's getting down on that fucking wash right now. Brand new BMW. With the fucking wiper. The windshield wiper. I don't even know what you call those things. The SqueeGees? Little SqueeGee. I think it's hilarious when he goes gets so wet and then he comes back again. He's done. Actually done. Hey man, it doesn't look bad. Little water stains on the door. Looks pretty sparkly, you know. Not bad, not bad. The guy definitely knows I'm fucking recording. That shit's great though. Come on, bro. You can't tell me you didn't know that was bad. I gotta go.